Here I've got OPPO A5 2020, and let me show you how to activate low power solution on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select battery, and now click on power saving mode. Now you can smoothly activate power saving mode by tapping on this switcher, and this mode will quit some background apps, pauses background auto sync, lower screen brightness, and also turn off vibrate on touch. So simply click here to activate it, and you can see that your battery sign has been changed to the yellow color, which means that you are currently in power saving mode. Now you can also personalize it. So for example, if you would like to stay with the normal brightness, click on reduce brightness so it will not influence on this mode, and then also you can personalize all the rest of the features. If you would like to activate some automatic setup, click on turn off automatically, and now every time your battery is lower than 60%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. Also you can pick turn on at specified battery level, click here, and now you can personalize it, so you can pick, for example, 21 or 10% of the battery. So let me switch off this function, and from now on power saving mode will be activated at 10% of the battery. So that's basically all. You can also have a quick access to low power solution through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and click on power saving mode. That's it. As you can see, the color of the battery is changed to yellow, and then if you would like to switch it off, do the same stuff, smoothly click on this icon, and now we are back in the normal mode. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and use your device in low power solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.